Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video about becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate. So if you want to become a ClickFunnels affiliate and you are new to the world of affiliate marketing, then I would recommend that you start here with the Affiliate Bootcamp. Now this is absolutely free and it's 100 days, but it's not 100 days of training. It's actually 30 days. You get videos sent to you every day, and it's just been updated. It's brand new. I went through it about a year ago, and they've actually totally revamped it as of the time of this recording. So if you really want to learn affiliate marketing and you want to promote ClickFunnels, go through this free bootcamp. It's absolutely fantastic. You're going to get video training from Russell, from Stephen Larson, Julie Stoyan, all these great people. You're also going to get interviews with some of the top affiliate earners here. So this is a great place to start if you're brand new. If you're not new and you don't think that you need this, I will put a link below as well where you can just simply sign up for a 14-day trial and you can immediately become affiliate once you start your trial, and then start promoting ClickFunnels and become a ClickFunnels user. Because you definitely want to be a user in order to promote it, because you want to be able to talk intelligently about it, and I would highly recommend only promoting stuff that you use. Of course, I am an avid ClickFunnels user and have been promoting them for several months now, but I've been a user for about 3 years, and it's hands down the best software I've ever used, and they do have one of the greatest affiliate programs. They pay 40% recurring commission with a sticky cookie, so that means that if somebody were to click on your link today and not buy a year from now, you would still get paid. Whereas most affiliate programs, guys, their cookie is 10 days, 30 days, maybe 60, 90 days, and it's more like 8%, maybe 20%. So you're getting 40%, guys, on a lifetime cookie. Can't beat that. And there's tons of other products to promote as well, other than just the two main core. Okay, so I'll put links below on becoming a ClickFunnels affiliate. Again, the 100-day, basically it shows you how to get 100 new signups in 100 days. And after you get 100 new members, ClickFunnels, not only are you going to get recurring commission for that, which is anywhere from $4 to $5 grand, you're also going to get $500 a month towards a car of your choice. So that's pretty cool too. So not only do you get the commission, but you also get $500 towards a car of your choice. 200 members, and they'll pay you $1,000 a month towards the car of your choice. So think about that. You could get a pretty nice car with that. All right, well, that was how to become a ClickFunnels affiliate. I hope you enjoyed that. And please like, subscribe, and I'll put the links below for you guys to check it out.